Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to divide algebraic expression using long division method. Divide x raised to the power 3 plus 6x raised to the power 2 plus x 11x plus 6 with x plus 2. So we have x raised to the power 3 plus 6x raised to the power 2 plus 11x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. So x divided by x raised to the power q, have x raised to the power 2. So x raised to the power 2 times x raised to the power s is x raised to the power 3. X raised to the power 3 times 2 is plus 2 x raised to the power 2. We subtract. So you have 6x raised to the power 2 minus 2x raised to the power 2 is 4x raised to the power 2. X raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 3 is 0. So bring this one down. So you have 11x raised to the power 2 plus 6. So x divided by 4x raised to the power 2 is plus 4x. 4x times x is x raised to the power 2. 4x times 2 is plus 8x. You minus. So 11x minus 8x is 3x. 4x raised to the power 2 minus 4x raised to the power 2 is 0. So you bring down plus 6. X divided by 3x is plus 3. 3 times x is x raised to the power 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So when you subtract it, you have 6 minus 6 is 0. 3x minus 3x is 0. So therefore, your answer is 3x raised to the power 2 plus 4x plus 3. Divide x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 plus 9x plus 4 with x plus 2. Solution. So you have x raised to the power 3 plus 3x raised to the power 2 plus 9x plus 4. You divide it with the x plus 2. So x divided by x raised to the power 3 is x raised to the power 2. X raised to the power 2 times x is x raised to the power 3. X raised to the power 2 times 2 is plus x 2x raised to the power 2. You subtract. So you have 3 x raised to the power 2 minus 2x raised to the power 2 is x raised to the power 2. X raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 3 is 0. So you bring down this 9x plus 4. X divided by x raised to the power 2 is x. X times x raised to the power s is x raised to the power 2 plus x times 2 is 2x. You subtract 8. So you have 9 minus 2, 9x minus 2x is 7x. X to the power 2 minus x power 2 is 0. Bring down this one plus 4. So x divided by 7x is plus 7 times x is 7x plus x. 7 times 2 is 14. So you minus it. You have 4 minus 14 is minus 10. Where x 7x minus 7x is 0. So your answer is x raised to the power 2 plus x plus 7 remainder minus 10. 6x power 3 minus 8x plus 5 with 2x minus 4 solution. So you have 6x power 3 plus 0x power 2 minus 8x plus 5 divided with 2x minus 4. So 2x divided by 6x power 3 is 3x power 2. 3x power 2 times 2x is 6x power 3. 3x power 2 times 4 is minus 12x power 2. So you subtract. You have minus 12 is plus 12 x power 2 minus 6 plus 6 plus 6 minus 6 is 0. So bring down minus 8x plus 5. 2x divided by 12x power 2 is plus 6x. 6x times 2x is 12x power 2. 6x times 4 is minus 24x. So you subtract. We have minus 8 minus 24 is 16x. Minus 12 plus 12 is 0. So bring down 5. 2x divided by 16x is plus 8. 8 times 2 is 16x minus 8 times 4 is 32. You subtract it. So you have minus 5 minus 32 is plus 37. And 16 minus 16 is 0. So your answer is 3x squared plus 6x plus 8, remainder 37. Thank you for watching.